Yo, what's up guys? Devin with Ready Responder Fitness here, and today I want to share with you 3 different training things that you could do at the firehouse or out at the park using nothing more than an 1 3/4 line. This is for you guys that might not have the budget to get a brand new TRX system, gymnastics rings, or any other sort of gym equipment. We're going to use nothing more than some retired fire hose today, so let's crush it.